Hi, I'm Riya Makwana, and my project partner's name is Prince Patel. We both have just completed our BTech in civil engineering. During our 8th semester, we had been working on a project named a Spatio-temporal Assessment and Prediction of Panaji's Urban Growth between 1992 to 2042. We have done this project under the guidance of Dr. Shobhit Chaturvedi. These are some beautiful pictures of Panaji. Panaji is the capital of Goa. It has witnessed rapid urban expansion in past 3 decades, which has negatively impacted its natural ecosystems. However, nobody has done study for this area, hence we chose Panaji. This study aims to address the knowledge gap and aid sustainable urban planning efforts in this region. These were our 4 research objectives. First one was to develop land cover maps for Panaji Goa region during the past 3 decades 1992, 2002, 2014 and 2022. Second, to perform land use change assessment during this time interval. Third, to assess the influence of population growth on urban expansion. And the last one was to develop future land use maps for Panaji Goa region during 2032 and 2042. This is the whole methodology chart. First of all, we had collected the Landsat data for different years. After that, we did supervised classification and classified the maps into 4 different classes like water body, vegetation, built up, and bare land. These are the different land use land cover maps for different years like 1992, 2002, for 2014 and for 2022. And this is the table which shows absolute quantities for each land use class during 1992 to 2022. As you can see, from 1992 to 2022, built up is keep increasing and bare land and vegetation is decreasing. This is the graphical form. That's all from my side. Now my friend Prince will continue further.
Hello, my name is Prince Patel. After creating land use land cover maps, we did the accuracy assessment to evaluate the accuracy of all the maps. As you can see, all the maps have greater than 85% accuracy, which shows the accurate classification. And kappa values represents the performance of the classification model. Then, as per the second objective, we did the change detection process. It refers to the analysis of detecting and visualizing changes that have occurred between two LULC images. In our study, we have created the change detection maps to show how much area is converted into built-up during each decade. As you can see, during 1992 to 2002, major portion of vegetation had been converted into built-up. Also, the same trend had been followed during 2002 to 2014 and 2014 to 2022. Now, if I talk about the prediction, we use the TASAT software for future prediction. In that software, land change modular, which is used to predict the change in land use and land cover, using land change pattern and understanding the drivers of change, it predicts the future urban growth. Markov chain model is also used to forecast the urban growth using historical data. It assumes that probabilities of transitioning from one LULC to the another LULC remains constant over the time. It analyzed the transitional probabilities derived from historical data. As per that, model can predict the future distribution of LULC. Using 2002 and 2014 transitional probability, software has created the map of 2022, which is very similar to the actual map of 2022. This process is called as validation process. These are the different drivers which have been used in the prediction. First is distance from barrel. Second is distance from vegetation. Third is distance from water bodies. This one shows that the distance from built-up slope map, and this is the ground elevation map. This is the predicted map of 2032. This is the predicted map of 2042. This bar graph shows the temporal change of land use classes during 2032, 2022, 2032, and 2042. In that, you can clearly see that built-up is kept increasing, while in the vegetation part, there is a constant decrease. This graph shows the relationship between population and urban growth. In the end result, we have predicted that up to 2032, there will be 29.5% urban growth is expected, while up to 2042, it will be 56.6%. At the end, I would like to say that our study will helpful to decision makers for planning the growing urban expansion of Panji city. Thank you.